Vertical laminar airflow, LAF. Horizontal laminar airflow, LAF.
Welcome to LuxMed, a testament to the Make in India mission, a global force redefining health.
Vertical laminar flow pushes air from the top down, ideal for large equipment, powders, and general sterility, protects product from user. Horizontal flow pushes air from back to front, offering better protection for hands, samples in smaller tasks but can blow contaminants toward the user, making vertical generally preferred for sterility and user safety. Horizontal laminar airflow, LAF, units provide a sterile, unidirectional stream of HEPA-filtered air from the rear of the unit horizontally across the workspace, protecting samples from contamination, making them ideal for electronics assembly, non-hazardous sample prep, and culture media work, but they are not for handling dangerous materials as air blows towards the user. Usage involves running the unit beforehand to purge air, cleaning surfaces, and working with sterile techniques to maintain a Class 100 ISO 5 clean environment for sensitive products. Vertical laminar flow, airflow. Top-down, perpendicular to the work surface, moves contaminants down and out. Best for large equipment, soldering, fine powders, general lab sterility, stacking items. Pros: protects user from contaminants, good for large items, less cross-contamination between samples, space efficient. Cons: can create turbulence, requires overhead clearance for filter changes, items can block flow. Horizontal laminar flow, airflow. Back to front, parallel to the work surface, flows towards the operator. Best for non-hazardous materials, odors, small component tasks where hands, gloves need protection. Pros: excellent control for hands, gloves, cleaner air path for samples, no overhead clearance needed. Cons: can blow contaminants toward the user's face, less working height, may require more floor space. Key takeaway: choose vertical for versatility, space saving, and user safety with larger items. Choose horizontal for protecting hands in smaller, contamination-sensitive tasks where airflow toward the operator isn't an issue. For hazardous biological work, neither is sufficient. A biosafety cabinet is required. Horizontal laminar airflow, LAF, key uses. Electronics assembly. Protecting sensitive components from dust and particles. Microbiology. Preparing culture media, tissue culture, and non-hazardous sample handling. Pharmaceuticals. Quality control, sterile filling, non-hazardous. Food processing. Maintaining cleanliness for certain operations. Pathology, histopathology, handling slides and samples. Vertical laminar airflow, LAF, key uses and applications. Pharmaceuticals. Compounding sterile medications, drug manufacturing, handling pathogens. Microbiology. Cell cultures, plating methods, handling biological samples. Microelectronics. Assembling sensitive components like semiconductor wafers. Food industry. Ensuring purity and safety in food processing. LuxMed looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.